In this video, I'll guide you through how to blur in Filmora. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, load drag and drop a video on Filmora timeline. If you want to blur your entire clip, then click on Effect tab and search for a square. Then download this square blur. Now we need to drag and drop our video file and set the length. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily create blur effect in Filmora. But if you want to blur a specific element of a video, or if you want to blur any people's face, then let me show you how you can do this. First, select your video and click on AI tools. Then select motion tracking and fix the motion tracking position and click on this motion tracking button. Now you need to wait for a few seconds based on the video duration. Once the motion tracking process is complete, then click on OK. Now click on link element drop-down box and select add a mosaic. Then you will see a motion effect is added over this girl face. Easily you can change this blur effect. To change it, you need to click here and select your blur. You can also increase or decrease the blur amount and increase and decrease the opacity. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily blur a specific place in Filmora.